At Radiant Shema School, we believe in shaping young minds with excellence, integrity, and purpose. Our goal has always been to create a nurturing space where students grow with wisdom, character, and faith. From humble beginnings, we have grown into a thriving institution, expanding in both size and impact. Our dedicated team of teachers, staff, and administrators has grown alongside us, working tirelessly to guide our students towards success. With each passing year, our student body has flourished. This year, we celebrate outstanding academic achievements across ECCE, primary, and high school with remarkable performances from our students. Beyond academics, we've had inspiring assemblies with special guests, competitions like Spell Bee, various workshops, and impactful awareness campaigns with organizations like the Lions Club and Swachh Bharat. Our school has been alive with vibrant celebrations like Independence Day, Republic Day, Children's Day, and Teachers' Day, along with field trips. With extracurriculars in theatre, TKD, choir, dance and tailoring. Our new choir team has made a fantastic debut and our students even train on professional football turfs. Sports has been another highlight with thrilling inter-house football and handball tournaments fostering teamwork and perseverance. And now as we step into our 10th grade graduation, we proudly take a step forward towards the 19th anniversary of Radiant Shema School, 2 decades of shaping young minds.